Hello, my name is Muhammad Alam, and I am a senior barrister and a senior lawyer, also a founder of Alam Law. We are personal injury and insurance litigation lawyer, as many of you know, which essentially means anytime when you involve in a car accident or slip and fall injury, dog bite, or anytime when your insurance company has denied you coverage or denied your claim, you need an advice and a lawyer like us to work on your behalf and fight your denial and get the justice that you deserve. Today we are going to talk about more specifically about a situation where you are the driver, you involved in a car accident. After the accident, you found out either police officer is telling you that the other driver who caused the accident did not have insurance, so he was driving without insurance. Now, it's very unfortunate, but I have been seeing an increased trend in our province that people are driving car without insurance, and which is a very dangerous venture, because if you found to be uninsured and you caused the accident, when the injured person lawyer will sue you, there's no insurance company to defend, and you have to privately hire a lawyer and defend that action. We're talking about hundreds of thousands of dollars and a judgment that you may have to pay. But let's talk about from the victim perspective. We all are driver, and let's say we or one of our family members and friend involved in that kind of accident where the other driver did not have insurance. Now, as many of you know, that when you involve in a car accident, your car accident case generally has two parts. First part is called accident benefit, where you apply to your own insurance company for certain benefits, including medical and rehabilitation, income replacement benefit, and few other benefits if you have significant injuries. But the second part of the claim is an important and a bigger claim, which is called a tort claim. A tort means to sue negligent driver for his negligence, to recover your losses, your recover damages award for your pain and suffer, recover any losses that is not covered by your own insurance company. That is a very big claim. It depends on what kind of injuries you have. It could be over $1 million lawsuit. Now, I as a victim, now when I'm looking at this, the other party does not have insurance, what should I do? In that circumstances, most of the time lawyers who understand personal injury, they will add your own insurance company in the shoes of uninsured driver. So the good news is for you that it does not matter even if the other driver did not have insurance, because your insurance company has a coverage available. Through that coverage, you can sue your own insurance company because it's not your fault. It does not affect your insurance. An insurance company, your own insurance company, is just getting into the shoes of the uninsured driver who caused the accident. They will pay you for whatever judgment or benefit settlement, and then your insurance company will go after the uninsured driver. So you as an injured person will not have to worry about if other driver was insured. But I always tell and through this segment that encourage everybody that you make sure that you have proper coverage available in your policy. So you make sure that you call your insurance company and or insurance broker. Please have that in writing, an email response that you want to make sure that your policy has uninsured or underinsured coverage. There is a technical name of that provision. It's called OPCF 44. But if you don't remember this OPCF 44, you just simply ask them that you want to make sure that your policy has uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage. Now, what does that mean, underinsured motorist coverage? Which means uninsured, we're all clear that other driver did not have insurance. Underinsured coverage means that you or one of your family member has suffered significant injuries and your claim is over $1 million. And the other driver only had, he has only $1 million coverage and your total losses are 1.5 million. Where are you going to recover this another $500,000? Your own insurance coverage will cover that if you have that coverage available. That's called underinsured coverage. And I tell you this, that it does not affect significantly your premium. Most of the policy comes with this OPC of 44. There are certain insurance policies that I've seen which did not have that policy coverage available, and that is why I will stress everybody who is watching this show or segment must ensure that they have this coverage available. And if you have that coverage available, the extra policy limit that the other driver did not have, because you don't have to go after and chase the underinsured driver, because how are you going to chase that person? If this person may be a retired person, this person may not have a job, this person may not have any assets, so how are you going to recover that money? So if you have that underinsured coverage, you will be protected. So that's one message. And second, let's take an example that you are on a bike and you don't have even your own car. Majority of our international students, they don't own a car, and if they involve in an accident, now this underinsured coverage or uninsured coverage through your own policy will not be in existence for those people. So what they do, and if they involve in this similar situation, like they were on the bike or they were a pedestrian, somebody hit who did not have insurance, in that situation there is another option available. So first option will be if the student who is living with somebody, and if that student is dependent on that person, his insurance company will respond to your pain and suffer claim. But let's take an example. If that person is not dependent on anybody, he or she is independent, where then you are going to get insurance coverage. Then we have an insurance motor insurance fund available. That fund is created by the provincial government, and that provincial government make that funds available. Then we have to sue the fund in order to get the claim for the pedestrian who does not have insurance, and then fund or their lawyers, they go after the person who does not have insurance. So at least you will be fully compensated. But again, when you have an insurance claim or car accident claim, you make sure that you choose the right lawyer, a lawyer who has experience or exclusive experience in personal injury. Those lawyers will be able to better craft your claim, better develop your claim. They will be able to fight your claim. They will be able to get the justice that you deserve as a result of your injuries and losses. We'll be happy to speak to any one of you if you have any question related to this issue or any other legal matter that you would like to discuss. Feel free to call our office and speak to one of our lawyers. We can provide you free legal advice. Thank you for watching.